Hello all. In the previous video, we have seen articles and when to use them. In today's video, we will see when not to use articles. If in any case you have missed out the last video, you can go back to my channel and find it out. So let's move on and see when do we not use articles. We do not use any article in front of proper nouns. For example, Delhi is the capital of India, or India is the largest democracy. We don't say the Delhi or the India, right? We will only say Delhi is the capital of India, not the Delhi. We also do not use articles in case of material nouns. For example, if we say iron is a useful metal, gold is a costly metal, we won't say the iron is a useful metal or the gold is a costly metal. We will not use articles in case of material nouns. The third case is with names of languages. Be careful and listen to what I am saying. In case of names of languages, we will not use articles. For example, Chinese is a difficult language. We won't say the Chinese is a difficult language. If we say the Chinese, it means that we are referring to the people of China. Okay, and the meaning completely changes. So in case of languages, we won't use any article. Moving on, we also do not use articles in case of names of games. For example, I play football. He loves badminton. We will not say I play the football, or he loves the badminton, or I play a football, he plays a badminton. No, we will not use articles with names of games. Also, we won't use articles with respect to abstract nouns. For example, honesty is the best policy. Love can't be measured. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. In all these cases, there is no article used in front of abstract nouns. We will not say the honesty is the best policy. The love cannot be measured. Okay? Here, we are talking about abstract nouns. So, there won't be any articles used with respect to the abstract nouns used. The next case is no articles will be used with names of meals. For example, I have toast for breakfast. I'll not say I have toast for a breakfast or I have toast for the breakfast. No. Or if I say they have lunch at 2 p.m. We will never say they have the lunch at 2 p.m. or they have a lunch at 2 p.m. The next case is we won't use articles with means of transport or with means of travel. For example, I go to school by bus. Here I am talking about how do I go to school? What is my means of transport? Here it is bus. We won't say I go to school by a bus. If you are using this, that means it was wrong. Or if I say he went to Pune by flight, it will just be he went to Pune by flight, not by a flight. And the last case is where the common nouns or the plural nouns are used to express the whole class. For example, dogs are faithful animals. We won't say the dogs. Here, dogs refer to the whole class or group of dogs. We will just say dogs are faithful animals. So I hope you have understood when we do not use articles. If you have learned something from this video, please drop in your valuable feedback in the comments below. And if you feel that it is something that has helped you and it can help others, please share and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.